What I'm doing here is going to make some emblems. So that's the back side. I'm routing it out so it can sit on the, grab this real quick, the metal piece. This is the trim that runs across the hood, or on the side of the hood. So basically, use the router so it'll sit flush against the hood. This is the inside. The badge emblem will be mounted on the back side. Let's see as I get it through. Now that I got them cut, you can kind of see where I'm going with this. It's gonna be mounted on here. And I'm gonna try it on the sander first. I gotta make them oval. Decided to cut the corners, make it easier for sanding, and now I gotta get my sander and try to smoothen that out. And then I drill the holes for that right there. Put them in there. Just put a little rounded edge on them. It's not perfect. Here's what it is. So I'm gonna start doing the holes, template for the holes. It's coming together good. Alright, looks good. Press in. So now I'm just gonna try to stain them. This is hard hickory, so I'll make for sure I got this right. Don't go any further. The tricky part is they are directional. So this is passenger side, so this will be sitting on the truck, actually just like that. So this should be passenger side. It is correct. It'll sit like that. This is driver side, so it's going to sit like that. Ford should be facing that way. It's correct. What I'm looking for actually is on the back side. It's hard to do this in one hand, but do the holes line up? If I turned it around the other way, it wouldn't line up. So it goes on like that. Like this. So that is correct. Whew. I don't want to do that again. This wood's hard. So it should sit flush, which they do. Notched out around it, so it'll sit flush with the hood. Yeah. So I don't have these pushed in all the way because they're gonna be hard to get out. So I'm gonna get the stain going on. I'm getting the stain on them now. Some Bombay red. Just let that dry up and put them together. Got them finished, mounted on. So I'm gonna put it on the truck. There it is, got them all done.